check this. Um, real talk. If the if the live is shit, let me know right now. Here's the thing. I did not plan to go live. Tell me if it's shit right now, and I'm gonna end it. And we'll just hop in my Discord and we'll go live in my Discord. Straight up. Is it good? Is it good? If it's good, we're gonna roll. Again, there's probably black bars on the side. I didn't expect shit to hit the fucking fan like it did right now. Last couple seconds. I'm over here tripping. No black bars? Are we chilling? Okay. We're chilling. I mean, if we're chilling, we're good. But how the fuck? Oh, that's nice. Okay, well, stream's gonna be a little fucked today. But we're still gonna get to trading, seeing what we're gonna look at. It's gonna be a little bit of a shorter stream. Again, I am traveling right now, so a little bit busy. It's fucking hot as hell in here. But we're still rolling. We're still gonna try to catch a dub. You guys know we're on a win streak right now. So again, sorry, I'm gonna be popping back and forth to this, guys. I did not bring my other monitors. Again, shit show. So ready to kick it, bro. Let's fucking go. Yeah. So again, still wanted to bring it to you guys. Again, internet may not be that good. We're gonna try to stick it out, try to catch some dubs. I'm not necessarily liking DAX and UK 100, but I think we're still gonna play it going into the market. But we'll see. So, again, I like buys. I like the overall structure for buys when we come to the higher time frames. But I think we could end up catching sells momentarily, especially at London Open. We're sweeping a lot of major liquidity points. And because of that, I'm thinking price could end up selling off, targeting some other major points like Tokyo session lows on both UK 100 and DAX. So, but again, bear with me. Tomorrow I'll have it a little bit more fixed up and a little bit more ready. I don't think I've ever streamed on my MacBook. I'm not going to tell you exactly where I'm at, Cartoony, but yeah, traveling. So we're in the mountains. So again, that's why I kind of said internet's whatever. Again, like obviously there's internet here, but my gosh. What's up, Chris? Give me 1 second. I am not with Luca, nah, bro. I'm not. Bro, still down in SD. Lord. Shit I'm watching right now. But again, Cartoony. I'm not gonna say exactly where I'm at, but yeah. Again, when it comes to sales, guys, I'm gonna be really hesitant. One, we're on a win streak. We killed it last week. I mean, we absolutely fucking killed it. Insane week. But yeah. Give me 1 second. Oh my god. Again, you guys may hear some talking. There's some other people here chilling with me. But what's up, V? Again, sorry guys if I'm not reading your stuff like that. Shit set up, forgot some stuff. But we're still gonna catch it up tonight no matter what. Dan, he's your boy. Hell yeah. Appreciate you guys being here again. If you guys don't know, I'm usually back at my setup or over in San Diego at Luca's. But here, or when I'm traveling, again, just try to throw out my MacBook. But we'll see. But yeah, DAX sells, like I was saying, guys. I would like to see price break this with some momentum. That's not to say price can't continue higher, guys. But again, looking at this leg, we are pretty overextended. We took some pretty major liquidity. I could say that price could momentarily sell off. to a point where we can at least get to break even, let price run a little bit into lower levels. But if price were to just like facilitate a pullback within this leg before pushing higher, we could at least capitalize on a 101 or even just be at break even, right? So we'll see. Again, I'm not really shooting for buys just because we're a little overextended. We took some pretty major liquidity. Not saying price probably won't buy it later into London, maybe into New York to facilitate that pullback. Again, fill in all the inefficient price, unless DAX really does want to shoot and do something else. But again, same thing. UK 100. Looking at sells here, so like this area again, same thing. I'd like to see open bearish. We can shoot. Stops would obviously be at high. In this case, it'd be nice to have them decently tight again, just because if price didn't come all the way down to manipulate Asia lows, we can at least capitalize on the pullback of this leg into some type of discount pricing, right? And that's at least my idea behind it. Again, it's been the same approach the last week's ins and outs, just because of the fact. Wait, okay. I have to make sure I'm not fucking okay. For a second, I thought I was leaking something. Nick, what's up, brother? What's up, Dan's? What's up, bro? What's up, my boy Christian? Guys, I'll reveal the truth. Nick is living with me for the weekend. That's crazy, cartoon. Yeah, guys, I went to Nigeria. Nah. I'm not too far from my place, but somewhere up in the mountains, so kind of cool. Super dope house, big ass house. Almost looks like a castle. Kind of cool. What's up, bro? What have you guys been up to? I mean, tell me, guys. Just came off the weekend. Again, we're not gonna shoot anything too crazy today. But I'm not scared to get into position just because we are. I mean, we've put it this entire month so far, so we can really just shoot at this point. I'm not gonna be stupid with it. Again, it really comes down to what price is showing me as we come within. I mean, we're already within the next 5 minutes of open, so within this candle is really gonna tell me what price is gonna do. Again, expecting sells. Delay shouldn't be too bad, so. You're good. Just watch. You're good. Just watch. Just watch. Oh my god. You guys didn't see little gremlins in the back. I'm sorry about that. They're not my kids. Don't worry. I don't have kids yet. Oh no. That is hilarious. Who's the man? But there's a man behind me. That's crazy. It's me. He won't let me do a face reveal. That's crazy. Again, guys, expecting sales. Again, still here to make some money. Got some family, got some friends here, but I'm ready. I'm ready to shoot. Potentially on both. Potentially. So, oh my god. I'm sorry, guys. Again, traveling right now, so bunch of gremlins. It's cartoony, actually. It's cartoony. It's a little nightgown. Which one you usually trade? I trade both, bro. I mean, I mostly trade both. Honestly, recently it's been DAX. Actually, it's both. It's really back and forth. I can't pick or choose one of them. Let's shoot. Need screens. Bro. That's crazy. I really don't. I can't pick and choose just because of the fact that give me one second, guys. I gotta lock. Just because of the fact that. Hold on. We'll talk right now. Gotta lock in. I'm liking if UK 100 sells pre-market, I'm not getting in. Like when I say pre-market, pre-open. I'm liking DAX a little bit better. But at the same time, UK 100 still valid. I just don't want to see price sell beforehand. Yeah, I don't like the UK 100 selling pre. Sorry guys, I'll lock in on chat right now. Depending on open, I could get it on UK 100. I'm in. Actually, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Setting limits. Sorry. Setting limits. Setting limits. Calm down. Calm down. Not in yet. I'm in once price breaks this low. So give it a second. Okay. I'm in. We're just shooting for 1-1, guys. We lose. We lose. Oh, we lost. GG. We could come back down, guys. But wow. Wow, wow, wow. Just got fucked over. Wow. Holy. Holy. Not taking DAX, guys. Not taking DAX. No reason to. So, at least not yet. So, give it a second. Give it a second. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. That was crazy. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Need a green screen? I know, guys. I know. I gotta throw one up. Obviously, I don't have one. I just traveled last second. Just threw up. Bro, cousins in the background. Dude, I got family. I got friends here. Got a bunch of people. Big ass house, so. Dude, fake out of doom. Holy. But again, we could end up getting back into Dare. So I'm gonna wait on it a little bit, guys. So I could get in. Just kind of be ready there. But again, it really just comes down to price. Again, price does have reasons to go higher. I just thought in this instant, price should go down to manipulate Asia lows in some short-term sells. But again, price had its own thing. Took one loss. Can't help it. We can get a break-even day. It is what it is. If not, I'm probably going to end in like 5 to 10 minutes. Just because I do want to get back to a little party. That's just it. Imagine. I know, guys. Big out of doom. It is what it is. If you guys were here last week, you guys should be more than great as far as sitting in profits still. I'm still sitting pretty good in profits even after that. Again, thankfully we didn't get to DAX, or thankfully DAX didn't fake out as hard as UK 100 because then that could have been 2 losses and that would have been devastating. But in this case, did not happen. So it is what it is. Now I can rechat. Here in DAX buys. Again, you guys can hop into buys. I'm not saying buys weren't valid. I just like seeing a little bit more liquidity to target. And again, I kind of want to go over higher time frames because I do believe price can pull into this inefficiency, and it will. But being that we've already come into an area of price that price now has the ability to reverse, I'm expecting price to take out or at least manipulate session lows as we creep up, if we were to creep up. Makes sense? But in this case, obviously price was ready to fill in this gap. And we'll see how far price shoots. Let's see how many people caught buy. So I'm gonna look at the mess now. But again, we could just be waiting to hop back in sells. And I'm willing to wait it out just a little bit to see. We're only within the first 5 minutes. We could see a super big flip. And if we saw that flip, I'd be pretty comfortable selling back off. So stick around if you want. Again, in the next 5 to 10 minutes, we'll see if price prints higher. I'm out of here. We'll take the loss. We'll take it to the fucking chest. Walk away, come back, win. You guys know. Honestly, you know what's crazy? Every single, in the last 3 to 4 weeks, every single Sunday going into Monday has been a losing day. What does that say? Does that say I don't stream? Does that say I don't stream? I mean, you guys tell me. Because if data is telling us within the past 3 or 4 weeks, every Sunday going into Monday has been a loss. But again, you guys remember last week, Sunday, Monday was our only loss. Came back and won 4 or 5 times the rest of the week. You know, so and won some absolute bangers. If you drop a bar soap to stat soap, get clean. Fuck yourself. Guys, price is shooting. In this case, it is what it is. I'll take the loss. Sucks that I'm on vacation. You know, it's always nice to make money when you're out. Not necessarily vacation, but just traveling. So it's always nice to make money when you're out, but that's not always. But that comes with trading, making sure everything's closed. There's no limits, and I think I'm solid. Again, once price prints here and we see the next candle, I'm probably gonna hit out. Just showing that price is gonna remain bullish. Didn't do what I wanted to do. It is what it is. But again, it really interests me as far as, do I continue to stream Sunday going into Monday, being that that's usually the slowest or choppiest, or the day we get faked out the most, or Edgar, who's not to say I'm up 10K right now floating on another trade I'm just not telling you guys about. No, that's a crazy statement though, Edgar. I don't have to tell her, she knows. No, I ain't got no hus. I'm just out here. I was gonna say solo traveling. I want to go solo traveling soon. I feel like it'd be fun. I'm just a little worried about it. Like, I'm just a little worried about going out of country, because I'd want to do out of the country for sure. But guys, I really don't want to stick around. I have a feeling price may end up coming down. I probably won't end up getting in, but at the same time, I might be chilling on the couch, just on my computer doing some work, and then I might just shoot if price does end up coming down, because I do expect price to come down. Again, one, if we look over at UK 100, we have no bottom wick. I'm expecting price to come back down, make a bottom wick. If we look at JR here now, we just filled this gap. So I was actually expecting price previously to just fill this gap on the daily, but was still expecting sells to take place first before that. In this case, we just finished that. So I'm probably gonna head off stream, guys. But I encourage you to still watch this, because if price does flip here, breaks both of these lows with pretty good volume, I'd shoot. I may shoot. You guys may see me post an Instagram story of me shooting. And again, I'm not gonna count it as win. Like, obviously, win streak just died. That's fucked. But you guys know what I say. Every loss, or this loss, means we're that much closer to win streak. And every time I say that, we hop back on a 4 to 5 win streak. So let's see what happens the rest of this week. You guys know it usually picks up unless something's fucked. You guys know there's wars and a lot of bullshit going on right now that could possibly affect the markets. Again, we'll see. But again, I encourage you to watch the markets if you guys are in buys. You buy to go flex is funded. That was a part of the game. Yeah, guys, it's part of the game. And this is why I encourage every single one of you to really be here every single day, because again, I can't preach you guys enough. You guys might be annoyed by it, but every single week that we've started with a loss, we've come back and we've won at least 3 or 4 times after that, within that week. So be here every single day. Be here tomorrow. Again, watch sells. We could still end up getting back in there. Could just been a quick fake out. And again, this may just tell us. And I love going back to data, guys. It's also to kind of give you guys an idea of what I'm doing, even though I'm in the position I'm in. It's still always being aware of what's happening. Sunday or Monday, biggest losing days. We could end up cutting those days out of the streaming schedule and sticking to trading 4 days a week and really just killing it those 4 days. Just because, again, if it can take away loss. But again, data is really going to come into play when that decision is made. So we'll see then. But I think I'm going to end it here, guys. Losses are always covered here. I mean, dude, if you're not up here, you're doing something wrong. You're not risking right. If you haven't made money yet, this is either your first stream or you haven't made money. I mean, okay, whoa. If you haven't made money, this is either your first stream or you don't know how to risk. Simply. Just because, I mean, the win rate is insane. I mean, I don't know what to say. If I were to go and calculate, it's probably way over 70% right now. If you punch yourself and it hurts, are you strong or weak? Cartini, what the fuck is these questions, man? Like, see New York Open, Nick? Fuck, no, I'm not streaming New York Open. You know what I'm doing during New York Open? Sleeping, resting. Guys, is it going to sell? It's either going to sell or just fill this gap momentarily. But just the way the higher time frames are looking, guys, it's going to sell. But I want to go back to kind of chilling, not necessarily partying. I'm not promoting that. I don't party. Luca saw you looking at bunk beds. No way he did. No way. Is Luca down to purchase them? No. Okay, guys. You guys are amazing. Love you guys. I know it was a short stream. I'll be back tomorrow. Any daydream at night? I don't know. I'm waiting for the sale, guys. I'm gonna be waiting for these sales too. Really be waiting on them. I'm gonna be on my computer again, watching it all night. So not necessarily all night, but we'll see what happens. So you about to get white. I'm not gonna get drunk, guys. I don't do that. But again, I'll be back tomorrow. I know, guys, a little bit chop setup. I think it's still nice. But again, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe we'll get a different angle. We'll see. Pretty big house, so we can move around and see what's up. But you guys are awesome. Appreciate you guys being here still, taking a loss with me, because you guys know we'll come back the rest of the week and win. I kid you not, we will win the rest of the week. And if we don't, Cartoony's a bitch. All right, guys, just kidding. Love you guys. You guys are awesome. Put a W in chat. Later.